ऑलराइट गाइस, ऑल अबाउट फिटनेस स्टोरीज और हमारे साथ नरेश सूर्या मेंस फिजिक के दो सबसे ज़्यादा पोटेंशियली पावरफुल एथलीट्स हैं इस टाइम. यू कैन सी हमारे साथ हैं अजीत और हमारे साथ हैं दिलीप. दिलीप रेनिंग चैंपियन भी है और अजीत एवरीबडी नो सोशल मीडिया पे टीम पावर हाउस, राइट, टीम पावर हाउस के एथलीट हैं. सो अजीत, आपने क्वालिफाई किया है, आपको पता ही होगा कि आप क्वालिफाई करने ही वाले हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल फिजिक. कैसा फील कर रहे हैं?
Thank you. I'm so happy to compete in Harish Shira Classic, and I've been selected in top 10. We'll have our finals tomorrow. I'll give my best. You'll know.
Yes, absolutely. One of the most powerful, I would say, athletes and potentially a winner. But potentially winner तो ये भी है. आपने पिछले साल भी जीता था, right?
Actually, there was a mistake. Muscle model winner. I was the muscle model winner last time. He was the overall winner, men's physique. So I think it will be a toughest fight because last time the number of competitors were high, whereas the quality of competitors were not that much high. But this time, as you have seen, it went through almost like 4 to 5 comparisons of 6 comparisons of round. We couldn't able to stand there also. So that much of tough is there. So probably there might be a tomorrow greatest war. I think World War 3 will be there.
All right. So I want both of you to come together instead of me being in the center. तो आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क यू बोथ. मैं अजीत आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप देख रहे हैं इनको और आपने लास्ट ईयर क्या फेब में हुआ था नरेश सूर्या, आपने इनको वहाँ पे देखा था मार्च में. क्या लग रहा है आपको कि मतलब जब ऐसे आपस में खड़े होते हैं, सच में बताओ मेरे को कि अंदर से फीलिंग क्या आती है?
I didn't understand the question properly.
I'm saying, should I say in English?
Yes.
So I'm saying that you have him by your side and he was by your side earlier also. And you both know each other also. You both are rock stars and stars of social media and lovely, beautiful physique and the biscuit abs, right? How do you feel when you have people like him next to you? Is there a fear or you're sure?
No, it's like motivating for me to look at him and get better. He's getting better, so I'll have to up my range. So I'll get better. When he looks at me, he's also like, yeah, he's getting better. Oh, let's this, and we motivate each other.
Do you know each other?
Yeah. We talk on a regular basis.
You talk on a regular basis. But you see, there will be only one winner. And there's a massive cash prize also. Besides, there's a beautiful trophy, certificate, medal. वो आप दोनों ने, you both have won those beautiful medals and trophies last year also. But one person is going to win. I want to ask you, what if he wins in this category? How would you feel?
See, he is the reigning champion. If he's going to win, I'm happy because we are from very same state. So I'm happy if he takes, but I'll give biggest up this time because I think I have improved some things which I've just said last time.
All right.
For my category. So let's see how it goes.
Without taking more time from both of you, if you have one message for all the people who are getting into men's physique championship, what would that be?
My message would be don't look into others and be like, I have to be like him or I have to be like the other person. Or you give your best, you get better every year, you'll be there. Set a goal and you'll be there.
And what is your message?
Patience.
Patience. This is the game of patience.
Yes, patience. See, no one's going to be a champion in like 3-4 months or like in 1 year. Ajit has been competing with me like almost like I think it's 4 years. He's not even on to top 5 when he was competing in that first contest. Now he's like a toughest competitor for me. See, that's about the patience. That is truly I want to say.
Yes.
So that's the one message I want to say to everyone who's on to men's physique or any other sports. I'm playing like bodybuilding, patience and consistency.
All right, guys. So that was Dileep and Ajit, two of our most important contestants for the finals tomorrow. And stay tuned. हम आपको कल का शो भी दिखाएंगे, आज का भी दिखा रहे हैं. इंस्टा लाइव पे देख लीजिए nippon.fitness.motivation या ये वीडियोस आएंगी ऑल अबाउट फिटनेस स्टोरीज यूट्यूब चैनल पे. सो लेट्स टेक अ क्लोजर लुक एट देयर बिस्किट्स एंड देन विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैंपियनशिप.